Because if you are talking of priority, Nisogoro, that road is the busiest in Nigeria at about this time.
Yes.
It's the busiest.
The busiest.
It's the busiest. So, do you need anybody to tell you to repair that road? For economic progress, you spend 3 days on a trip that doesn't want to last for 12 hours. 3 days. And you are still there. Meanwhile, they concentrated on the Lagos Calabar coastal.
You know the funny thing.
You see, this is what I was talking about when I said that Yoruba and Fulani people are evil and working against Igbo people in Nigeria. Look at people that on their way to the east for Christmas, and a lot of people that are bringing down goods to whether it's Anambra or Enugu or Delta or whatever. Everybody is stuck on the road. Some people have been stuck on this road for complete 2 to 3 days. Why is it that the government does not want to fix that Benin Onitsha Express? Just because it connects to the east. Anything east in Nigeria is a no-no for this evil Fulani and Yoruba government. But now go buy all of una. This is evil and it is wickedness. You know? Look at how they concentrate on Lagos Coastal Road. That is the only thing that concerns Tinubu. Any road that will connect all the Yoruba states. Go and check the coastal road. You see how it connects Yoruba states and then ends in South, which is Delta and Calabar. They make sure that road does not lead straight to Enugu or lead straight to Anambra or Ebonyi State. Okay, how much is that road costing Nigerians? Till today, nobody has been able to tell us this is the total amount. It is costing trillions. They don't even have the budget. They don't even know how much it is because they've asked them how long is it going to take and how much is it going to cost. He can't even tell. And they are using that road to rip Nigerians off. Remember that in the process of constructing that Lagos Calabar coastal road, they destroyed an Igbo man's business, landmark. What billions of dollars? They destroyed that man's business as well as some other people's business on the coast. And they did that to landmark on purpose. So when I'm speaking about these things, let us be factual. What I don't like is when I see Yoruba people on comment section supporting evil. On Sunday now, when I go carry on a bag, go walk. When I carry on bag, go church. Tell me why they should not repair Enugu. Tell me why they should not repair Benin Onitsha Express. That is actually through the Nigeria. Because all the goods that is coming in through Lagos Apapa seaport, it is going through that route down to southeast. Okay, give us our own seaport. They no one give us our seaport. Give us our seaport. They no one give us our seaport. All of this is political manipulation against Igbos in Nigeria, against Southeasterners. Let us tell ourselves the truth. We know what is going on in that country, and it's time that people start speaking out. Let me know what you have to say about this wickedness in the comment section. Please share this video.